The last time the US housing market looked so frothy was back in 2005 to 2007. Then home values crashed, with disastrous consequences. When the real estate bubble burst, the global economy plunged into the deepest downturn since the Great Depression. Now that the housing boom is threatened by soaring mortgage rates and a potential recession, buyers and homeowners are asking a familiar question: is the housing market about to crash? Housing economists agree that prices could fall further, but the decline won't be as severe as the one homeowners experienced during the Great Recession. One obvious difference between now and then is that homeowners' personal balance sheets are much stronger today than they were 15 years ago. The typical homeowner with a mortgage has stellar credit, a ton of equity and a fixed-rate mortgage locked in at a rate well below 5%. So no foreclosure crisis looms. The wild ride known as the US housing market slowed dramatically in the fall of 2022, as mortgage rates surged and home prices remained high, says Molly Boesel, principal economist at CoreLogic. Home sales started strong in early 2022 but took a nosedive later in the year. On the plus side, generous amounts of home equity will protect many borrowers from experiencing the type of foreclosure activity seen during the Great Recession. What's more, builders remember the Great Recession all too well, and they've been cautious about their pace of construction. The result is an ongoing shortage of homes for sale. We simply don't have enough inventory, Yoon says. Will some markets see a price decline? Yes, he says. But, with the supply not being there, the repeat of a 30% price decline is highly unlikely. Key housing market statistics: a total of 30,528 US homes had foreclosure filings, default notices, scheduled auctions or bank repossessions, as of February 2023, according to ATTOM Data Solutions. New Jersey had the highest foreclosure rate of any state in February, at one foreclosure filing for every 2,271 housing units, according to ATTOM. It was followed by Maryland, where one in every 2,390 homes were in some stage of foreclosure. Lenders repossessed 3,831 US properties through completed foreclosures, known as real estate owned, or REO, in February. Home sales fell 37% from January 2022 to January 2023, the National Association of Realtors says. The median sale price in January 2023 was $359,000. For many months, economists have been predicting that the housing market would eventually cool as home values become a victim of their own success. Home prices have risen far more quickly than incomes, creating an affordability squeeze, and mortgage rates doubled since August 2021, before starting to retreat a bit. Home prices rose sharply for years, and while the heated market has cooled down, it's not likely to experience an equally sharp drop soon. Greg McBride, CFA, Bankratishi financial analyst, CISA.